How to get Discord on a school Chromebook. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick snap for you to be able to get or download Discord using your school Chromebook. Now take note that it may not be working for some, but you can actually try it you can actually try for yourself. Now open up your school Chromebook browser and you're just gonna have to do something with your browser settings first. Hit on the three dots and then choose on settings. Now from settings, you simply go into privacy and security. And then all I have to do is to go into third-party cookies. So this is what is actual setup from your school Chromebook browser. Which one I have next is just to go into see all site data and permission. And then in here you just have to delete everything that you have in here. You just choose on delete all data. This is like clearing cache and data cookies from the browser that you're using. And then next thing that you want to do is to close everything here. The other way around is to use any available proxy website that you have in mind. Type in proxy and you can choose either of these options right here. Say for example this one, proxysite.com. Once you're here, just simply choose this URL option and type in discord.com and it will allow you to access Discord's website. And that is how you get Discord on school Chromebook.